Clean outdoor grills. Grill cleaning can be a chore until you try WD-40. Spray the grill grates with a light coat of WD-40 and let it sit for 30 seconds to help loosen grease and food residue. Then, use a grill brush or cloth to wipe the grates clean. This quick method not only cleans but also helps prevent rust and buildup. Your grill will be ready for your next barbecue, looking clean and well-maintained. Enjoy a sparkling grill with minimal effort before your next cookout. Remove glues from packaging. Stubborn glue residue on packaging can be a hassle. WD-40 offers a fast fix. Spray a small amount on the glue, let it sit for 30 seconds, and then gently wipe away with a cloth. The lubricant dissolves the adhesive, leaving surfaces clean and residue-free. It works great on boxes, plastic, and even metal. This quick tip saves time and frustration, making your unpacking process much smoother. Enjoy a neat, clean finish on all your packages. Lubricate fan motors. Is your fan making extra noise or not spinning as smoothly as it should? A quick spray of WD-40 on the fan motor's moving parts can help. Apply a light mist, wait for 30 seconds, and then run the fan to distribute the lubricant. This reduces friction, quiets down the motor, and can even extend its lifespan. With minimal effort, you'll enjoy a smoother, quieter fan operation throughout the season. It's a simple maintenance trick that can make a big difference. Clean car key fobs. Your car key fob is handled every day and can accumulate dirt and grime. Use WD-40 to give it a quick refresh. Spray a small amount on a soft cloth and gently wipe the key fob's surface. In 30 seconds, you'll notice the residue lifting away, leaving your key fob looking and feeling clean. Be sure to avoid oversaturating the device. Just a light touch does the trick. Keep your key fob in pristine condition with this fast and easy cleaning hack. Prevent rust on bike frames. Keep your bike frame looking new and rust-free with a simple WD-40 spray. After your ride, wipe down the metal surfaces with a cloth lightly sprayed with WD-40.40. This forms a protective barrier against moisture and rust. In just 30 seconds, you're not only cleaning your bike, but also extending its lifespan. A little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your ride smooth and durable. Enjoy a rust-free, well-protected bike ready for your next adventure. Clean garden statues. Garden statues can lose their luster from dirt and weather exposure. For a quick refresh, spray WD-40 onto a soft cloth and gently wipe away accumulated grime. In just 30 seconds, your statues will regain their shine and look beautifully maintained. The lubricant helps prevent further buildup while restoring a polished appearance. This easy hack keeps your outdoor decor looking fresh and vibrant all season long. Try it on your favorite garden piece and enjoy the renewed sparkle. Remove insect residue. Bug splatters on your car or outdoor surfaces can be unsightly and hard to remove. Spray WD-40 onto the affected area and let it sit for about 30 seconds. The formula loosens the dried insect remains, making them easier to wipe away with a cloth. This quick trick leaves your surfaces clean without the need for harsh chemicals. Enjoy a spotless finish on your car or patio furniture and keep your exterior looking its best with minimal effort. Freshen up office chairs. Office chairs with squeaky wheels or sticky casters can disrupt your workday. A quick spray of WD-40 on the wheel assemblies can make a big difference. Apply a small amount, wait 30 seconds, and then roll the chair around to distribute the oil evenly. This simple hack reduces friction, silences annoying squeaks, and helps your chair glide smoothly across the floor. Keep your workspace comfortable and efficient with this fast maintenance tip that takes only a few seconds. Eliminate squeaks in furniture. Furniture that squeaks with every movement can be a nuisance. Use WD-40 to solve the problem. Spray a small amount on the joints or moving parts of your chairs, drawers, or tables. Allow it to penetrate for 30 seconds before testing the movement. The lubricant eases friction and silences the squeaks, giving your furniture a smoother operation. This quick and easy fix is perfect for an instant upgrade to your living space. Enjoy the calm and quiet that comes from well-maintained furniture. Clean power tool casings. Keep your power tools looking and performing like new with a quick wipe down using WD-40. Spray a small amount onto a cloth and gently clean the exterior casings of your tools. In about 30 seconds, you'll remove accumulated grease, dirt, and grime without damaging the surfaces. This maintenance tip not only improves the appearance of your tools, but also helps prolong their lifespan. A clean tool is a more efficient tool. Give this hack a try next time you finish a project. Lubricate car door locks. Stiff car door locks can be frustrating, especially in cold weather. A quick spray of WD-40 into the lock mechanism can ease the operation. Apply a small amount, wait for about 30 seconds, and then insert your key to work the lubricant through. The result is a smoother, quieter lock that's easier to turn every time you get in or out of your car. This fast maintenance tip helps keep your car's locks in top condition all year round. Remove crayon from fabrics. Crayon marks on fabric can seem permanent, but WD-40 can help. Lightly spray WD-40 onto the crayon stain. After testing a small hidden area, then gently blot with a clean cloth. Wait about 30 seconds for the oil to break down the wax, then launder the fabric as usual. This quick method can reduce the appearance of the stain without harming the fabric. Always use sparingly and follow up with a proper wash. Enjoy a cleaner, crayon-free fabric in no time. Clean gardening sprayers. Garden sprayers can clog with old residue and buildup, affecting their performance. A quick fix is to spray WD-40 inside the sprayer's nozzle and internal parts. Let it sit for 30 seconds to break down the grime, then rinse thoroughly with water. This simple maintenance step helps ensure a smooth, consistent spray pattern for your garden tasks. With minimal effort, your sprayer will be ready for the next watering or cleaning session. Enjoy a hassle-free gardening tool that performs like new. Protect metal filing cabinets. Filing cabinets in humid environments can suffer from rust over time. Prevent this by giving them a quick WD-40 treatment. Spray a light coat on the metal surfaces and wipe off any excess. In just 30 seconds, you create a protective barrier that wards off moisture and rust. Your filing cabinets will not only look cleaner, but also last longer. This simple hack is an excellent way to maintain your office furniture with minimal effort. Enjoy a rust-free professional workspace. Lubricate drawer slides. Sticking or noisy drawer slides can disrupt your day. A light spray of WD-40 is all it takes to smooth out the operation. Apply directly along the tracks, wait about 30 seconds, then open and close the drawer a few times to work the lubricant in. This quick fix reduces friction, making your drawers glide effortlessly and quietly. It's an easy maintenance tip that enhances the functionality of your furniture, saving you time and frustration every day. Clean bike suspension cables. Losing suspension cables can affect your bike's performance. Use WD-40 to clean and lubricate them. Spray a small amount onto the cables and allow it to penetrate for 30 seconds. Then gently wipe away any excess with a clean cloth. This quick treatment removes dirt and reduces friction, ensuring smoother cable movement and better performance on every ride. A few seconds of care goes a long way in keeping your bike responsive and efficient on the trails. Remove dirt from tool chests. Tool chests can accumulate dust and grime over time. A quick spray of WD-40 can help clean them up. Apply a light mist over the inside surfaces of your tool chests. Wait for 30 seconds and then wipe it down with a soft cloth. The lubricant breaks up stubborn dirt and leaves the surface easier to clean. This simple maintenance tip makes organizing and finding your tools a lot more pleasant. Enjoy a cleaner workspace with this fast, effective cleaning hack. Clean white sneakers. White sneakers often get scuffed and stained from daily wear. Restore their brightness with a little WD-40. Lightly spray the affected areas on a soft cloth. Avoid direct application and gently wipe the scuff marks away. Allow about 30 seconds for the oil to work, then clean the area with a damp cloth to remove any residue. This quick trick helps brighten up your shoes, giving them a fresh, renewed look. Perfect for a fast touch-up before you head out. Restore luster to metal fixtures. Metal fixtures can lose their shine over time. With WD-40, you can easily restore their luster. Spray a small amount onto the fixture and buff with a soft cloth for about 30 seconds. The oil removes tarnish and leaves behind a clean, gleaming finish. This quick and effective hack works on door handles, knobs, and other metal accents around your home. Enjoy a polished look that instantly brightens your space with minimal effort. Prevent rust on outdoor handrails. Outdoor handrails face constant exposure to the elements, which can lead to rust. Keep them protected by spraying a thin layer of WD-40 along the rail. Allow it to set for about 30 seconds before wiping off any excess. The oil forms a protective barrier that repels moisture and helps prevent rust formation. This quick preventive step ensures that your handrails remain smooth, safe, and visually appealing all year long. It's a simple maintenance tip for lasting protection. Clean window tracks. Dirty window tracks can make your windows stick and hard to open. WD-40 is here to help. Spray a small amount along the track and let it sit for 30 seconds to loosen dust and debris. Then, use a cloth or brush to clean out the dirt. In no time, your windows will slide smoothly and the track will be free of buildup. This quick hack makes a big difference in window functionality while keeping your home looking tidy. Lubricate folding chairs. Folding chairs used for camping or events can become stiff over time. A quick WD-40 spray on the joints and hinges helps restore their smooth movement. Apply a light mist, wait for 30 seconds, and then open and close the chair a few times to work in the lubricant. This simple maintenance tip reduces friction and ensures that your chair folds and unfolds effortlessly. It's a fast, effective way to prolong the life of your portable seating and enhance comfort. Remove oil stains from concrete. Oil stains on your garage floor or driveway can be unsightly. WD-40 can help break down those stubborn spots. Spray the affected area generously and let it sit for about 30 seconds to penetrate the stain. Then scrub gently with a stiff brush to lift the oil away. This quick method minimizes the stain's appearance without harsh chemicals. Enjoy a cleaner, more inviting concrete surface in no time with this simple trick. Clean and protect workshop tools. Your workshop tools work hard for you. Return the favor with a quick 40 cleanup. Spray a light coat on your tools and wipe off any dirt and grime in about 30 seconds. The lubricant not only cleans but also leaves behind a protective film against rust and corrosion. This simple routine helps maintain your tools' performance and extends their lifespan. A little care goes a long way in keeping your workshop efficient and safe. Try this hack for tools that always look and perform their best. Eliminate squeaks on bicycle suspensions. Nothing ruins a bike ride like squeaky suspension. A quick fix is to spray WD-40 onto the pivot points of your bicycle suspension. Allow the oil to seep in for about 30 seconds before working the suspension through several cycles. This helps eliminate unwanted noise and improves smooth movement. In no time, your bike will ride quieter and more efficiently. Enjoy a smoother, more enjoyable ride with this fast, effective maintenance tip. And that wraps up our series of 25 more WD-40 hacks, each designed to solve everyday problems in just 30 seconds. We hope you found these tips both practical and inspiring. Remember to always use WD-40 in a well-ventilated area and test on a small spot first. Whether you're fixing a creaky door, cleaning up stubborn stains, or maintaining your bike and tools, these hacks are here to simplify your life. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.